You're not in danger.
They'll shoot you, man. Let them see it.
Stay focused.
More police
keep
keep
your
coming.
Hands up and stay focused.
They trigger happy, man.
Just breathe. Don't worry about that little bullshit. Just pay attention and breathe.
And one person could have fucking stopped her.
You're not hurt, so go carry on.
Bullshit. I'm out of the fucking road. Why is these people can't one of them stop that?
Stay focused.
I'm out of the road. Why couldn't you stop her?
Fuck him. We want to see that.
Damn you.
They're not going to do nothing.
See their guns drawn? The guns are drawn.
Yeah,
the guns are drawn.
They got to be drawn.
Stay focused. Good job.
Ah, you fool. You fool.
Just try, cop car, just tried to run us over for filming the police.
Back up, guys.
For what? We on the sidewalk.
We're more than 10 feet from the
We 10 feet from the thing. We're 10 feet.
Focus.
By law,
Back
we're
up,
more
guys.
than
I'm
10
concerned
feet
for your
from the
safety. Back
action.
up.
Okay, let us
Back up, guys. Back up. Please back up.
Fifth them.
Has his seatbelt on.
Please
I'm
back up.
trying. Stop moving
back
me.
up.
Let me spin. You ain't gonna do it.
Sir,
I was.
you need
I
some
was
stripes
trying
to talk to. Find some.
Back up, guys. What? You understand? Back up.
This is back.
Back up, please.
I am far.
Please get back. Please. I don't know what you guys don't understand. Back up, guys.
How far we got to be backed up? How far we have to be backed up? That's the question. You couldn't answer that question, too. I don't think so.
He's trying to get out.
But they told him to get out. They told him to get out.
How you doing? Pardon me.
Too late to cry now.
Good job, fellas. Stay in focus. Good job.
Did you see the gun? Did you see the gun he had? No, this is what is that called when you had to go in? What they call that? Curfew, martial law. This is martial law, y'all, at its best. Capitalism called martial law.
7 police cars for one. Car pulled out.
I'm getting out the street. Don't holler at me. You see me getting out? I'm getting out. I can hear you. You want me to go walk and get hit by that car?
Are you kidding me? Get out.
Yeah, I'm getting out.
That means the sidewalk.
Don't touch me, man.
Get out of the street.
Don't touch me, fool.
Guys, you don't understand. We're concerned for you. They're guns pointed. This is a stolen
We are
car.
concerned for your safety as well.
The guns is not pointed this way. It's pointed at them. They got the guns, y'all. It's martial law. Look at that. Look at that's not a Uzi.
No, it's
That's not an Uzi.
not
is
an
it?
AR-15.
That's not an AR-15.
Good job, fellas. Good job. Now go hustle your money. Take them uptown. I gotta go to church.